Yeah. Yeah. From chaos to order, self-made composer, quantum notes align. The field takes over.
Came from the rubble, now the structure's golden. Symmetry broke, but the cosmos was chosen. Amplitude in the vein, spinning phases. Ratio singing through atoms and spaces. Orbit like a dance, no random stances. Patterns unfolding, life advances. Chaos birth the code, Fibonacci flows. Spiral through the soul, every beat it shows for them. From the depths we rise, self-organized. The beat all rolling, the beat all rolling. Breaking symmetry, life's quantum symphony. Yeah. Fractals in the clouds, chaos in the skies. Every broken wave hides a truth inside. Golden ratio song, a song of the stars. Melody of math, guiding who we are. From quarks to chords, everything's aligned. Drums hit militant, triplet stagger time. Sped up soul, the loops keep unfolding. The Beatles roll, the story keeps molding. Quantum dreams, they build from nothing. Spontaneous sparks, the system's bluffing. Atoms hum, their music eternal. Patterns within, life circles infernal. Pepper the motion, chaos and devotion. The beat all rolling, the beat all rolling. Breaking symmetry, life's quantum symphony. Breaking symmetry.